Wait, you're gonna take me to Steak and Shake because I'm really craving a steak burger. Let's go!
One of my favorites.
Yes.
Ridiculous. Oh, hey.
Did you see the shoes on that guy? I bet those socks are nice. Well, I think I'm gonna go to dinner.
Wait, I'm not done yet. Leave it with me. If you love me, you will.
What do you know about consent? Did you see consent in any of these scenarios?
You need respect to get consent. It's simple.
Consent is given freely and never coerced.
When you get and give consent, you show respect not only for your partner or partners, but for yourself.
It's on us to respectfully get and give consent.
And consent is clear, coherent, ongoing, and willing.
Respect for others is what Scots stand for.
Scots care about each other.
Let's work together to make our campus safe. It's on us.
Let's make Monmouth College a place where everyone feels respected and welcome. We need to stand up and do the right thing, not always the popular thing. By starting to do the right thing, we need to respect each other, be kind, and care for one another. If you need resources, you can go to Polling Hall, where the Title IX Coordinator's office is located. Here at Monmouth College, we're the Fighting Scots, where we fight against sexual assault and harassment. It is on us, all of us, to do better and be better. Real Scots.